ready for this?
I'm ready.
Ah!
Go, Nate.
Get me out of this damn thing! No, Nate! We should do it together. Okay? Keep videotaping.
I am.
Can you send these to AJ, okay?
Send them to AJ?
Hold on, we gotta fix this because it's my head.
I don't have AJ's number.
Oh, okay, I'll send it. 3142. Nice roll, nice.
Well, I'll add it in a minute.
No, we have to get this out of here.
Why are you so afraid to cuss? Put your clothes on!
Yes, sir.
Gosh, Nate, I do not want to see that. Fuck.
Christian!
Damn it, I just said fuck.
Wait, come on. What? No, we have to back up and do it.
You know what? I have an idea.
What?
Okay. I'm going to get behind the leaf pile. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. There's like logs back here to stand on. Okay, go for it. I love you too, Mariah. No!
Oh, shit! That is not safe.
You just freaking hit these. You need to do that again. Do it again. Go, go, go. I'm still videotaping. I'm still videotaping. I will. Thank you, Mariah. We just got a nice shot of Mariah shaking her ass at us.
Hold on. We have to make this bigger. Watch me find a fucking dead body under here.
It smells like terrible, man.
You're telling us, should we jump in? Dude, hold on. Should we flip or dive or belly flop?
Flip.
I'm gonna die. Here, we need to do fast. Okay, hold on. Let it all come back to me for a second. Alright, we're good.
What if I put these on Facebook and we're all...
Do it. What? Ah, damn it.
Okay, I want to jump in.
Oh, I got this. I'll hold the camera.
Oh!
It's away from my back.
Oh, hey! If she just... It's okay, I'm okay, you guys. If she does put this on Facebook, shit, what if she does? That'll be bad. Oh!
I got something in my shirt.
Hold on, should I fix these?
What? Oh, I missed it. Probably a fucking snake or something down here.
Ah! Let's play. We're stuck. Go! That's Kendra and Nate. Hi.
It was not as deep. It was deeper than I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, it has to be.
Oh, damn. Here. I want to do it now. Nate, come do it. Me and Kendra got to do it together.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Yeah. Kendra, me and you got to do it like...
It's like 5 minutes long.
Don't press any button. Kendra,
Easy. Kendra's scared.
Here, let's put this up here. Hold on, we gotta get them like for the... Wait. Oh my gosh. What? It was like totally awesome. It's such a perfect... Hold on, get a glimpse of it. Okay. What are we gonna do? What? I'm not gonna flip. I'm afraid. What the heck are you doing? You're getting inside. Oh my god.
I got leaves in my shirt.
Alright, hold on.
Who was that?
Okay, I think it's time to go. Okay. This is Mariah Powell.